If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. My name's Nick and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. Now, if you have been here before, hello again. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can improve on your competitor's product. Now, you don't really need any tools to do this. There is going to be a Chrome extension I use, which you can get a few free tries of, but it's more the mindset. And actually, there's a lot of data on Amazon that you can learn to read and take advantage of. So this, for me, is a vital part of your product research process. Now, you can use all the tools you want. You can use the most expensive paid tools out there. You're still going to have to understand the principles behind how you should interpret that data. So I'm going to talk to you about how you could take a product idea that's actually really, really competitive, about as competitive as it gets, and you can come in and compete. So yeah, I'm literally talking about a niche where the top seller has over 12,500 reviews and a fully bedded in 5-star status, and I'm going to show you the mindset that we have in place that allows us to come in and build a brand and compete with some of these sellers when we might have under 150 reviews. So that probably sounds insane, because it is, and it's a great method, and you're going to learn a lot from this video. So if you haven't been here before, I would encourage you to subscribe. I would also encourage you to turn on the notifications bell, because that way you'll be the first to know about useful videos just like this. Now, if you've got any questions about anything I talk about, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. Now, the product example we're looking at today is cellulite oil. So we're using the US Amazon Marketplace, but you can do this on any Amazon Marketplace, and we do, and it's how we make our products better than the competitions. Okay, so you're going to learn some really, really exciting things today. Now, this is the product that we're looking at, and as you can see, it is $546 in health and household, $31, and yeah, it's doing an insane amount of money on a monthly basis. So using the Chrome extension that I always use, which is Helium 10, I have used one of their tools here called X-Ray, and it has told me that this one listing is doing $861,000 a month. Yeah, I know. Absolutely insane. So first things first, get yourself this Chrome extension if you haven't already. If you have, cool. You can just follow along and watch what I do and how I will interpret some of this information. So looking at this product, we can all see it's incredible. They're doing over 25,000 units a month, and that's resulting in nearly $1 million a month in revenue. So that is absolutely huge. Over 12,000 ratings. So we might be looking at this thinking, how can we compete with this product? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how. So number one, the images aren't great, are they? So that isn't the point I'm going to start on, but just looking at them, we could do a much better job. Now, let's talk about the product offering. So we know that there's obviously huge demand for this product. Now, just by using the Amazon listing, we can just scroll down. This is all, by the way, this part here is what you get with the Chrome extension. It's called a keeper graph. That's what we refer to it as. And it's all part of the Helium 10 Chrome extension. So you can see here a picture of how this product has performed over different periods of time. So if we go over the course of a year, this pink line shows the sales. So the lower this pink line is, the more sales this product has made at that time. Okay, struggling to get my words out there. So when you see big spikes like this and it's gone up, whoa, like that, it means it's selling less. And when it's coming down like this, it's selling more and more units. The blue line is the price level. So when it drops, well, the price drops. And when it goes up, the price increases. So this is a useful graph to look at to qualify your product research. Now, if we keep scrolling, we see a very useful box here called frequently bought together. Now, Amazon is literally telling us that lots of people, when they buy this product, and a lot of people buy this product, also go and buy one of these, a cellulite massager. And I can't imagine this being too expensive to source from a supplier. And what I would do if I'm looking at this listing, I would do a few other things I'm going to talk to you about, but I would consider bundling this with the massage oil and potentially using some toning or toning and firming body cream, because this customer, and if we really put ourselves in their mindset, is looking at this thinking, I want help with my cellulite, and I mean, I don't know the ins and outs of that, but I know just from the data here that people also buy firming and toning body gel cream. So if we could put together a bundle offering, we could compete with a very, very established, powerful listing, and we might even be able to outdo them over time. So pretty amazing. Now, I'm going to show you someone that's done exactly this. So back on this page here, we scroll down, we've got, these are the top 4 results. Okay, so we've got this person here, they've got 3,500 reviews. It's a lot of reviews, 4-star. They're around 4,400. Yeah, that's pretty good. This one here, they're slightly different bottle, and it's actually sold by Amazon. But even if there's a few listings that are sold by Amazon, it doesn't matter. This listing here, I don't know who this seller is, but I like them because they think how I think. They've got 135 reviews, and they're doing almost as many sales as this person here. And they've come in and they are offering a better customer experience. And how are they doing it? Look at that. That massage rubber thing. What was it called? Yeah, literally a cellulite massager brush mitt. So they have seen that they can improve on this. And although they can't get to the reviews, they can improve the product offering. They could go a step further by using the firming gel I was talking about, cream. So you could really boost up the product offering. So that, to me, is a game-changing mindset to take on. And yeah, they're doing pretty well. Let's see what they're doing on a monthly basis and see whether, you think you'd be interested in making this sort of money a month. Yeah, so they're doing a lot. From this one listing, between their 3 variations, $97,000 a month with 135 reviews. So when people say, oh, it's too competitive, I can't compete, they're just not thinking. They're not thinking outside the box. They're just looking at a product, being lazy and saying, oh, I just want to sell exactly what they're selling. And don't be lazy, okay? So very interesting. And how long have they been around? So yeah, they've only really started doing well from sort of February this year, but they've been around since July last year. So they're still selling, but not anything like they are now. So that's interesting. So I'm sure you can see how just using the Amazon listing, you don't even need this Chrome extension I use. I'll leave it in the description there if you do. But you can see the power of this, reading data. And Amazon give us so much data. There's so much they don't give us, which is why they're the most valuable company in the world currently. But they do give us some data that some people use and some don't. So another thing that we can do is we can use this tool, which is the Helium 10 Chrome extension, to analyze what people actually don't like about this product. So what I've done is click to review insights, and we've got an option here. We can ask for particular dates, only verified reviews, only helpful reviews, only ones with images and videos. There's a lot we can do there, but we want the 1, 2, and 3-star reviews. If we just want it 3-star, we click that. Okay, we click extract, and we end up with this. And this is all of the 1, 2, and 3-star reviews. There's 315 of them, sorry. And I like 1 to 3-star reviews, 3 stars especially, because they're usually the reviews that have a load of information in them. People leaving 3-star reviews usually go on a bit of a rant and say, oh, I didn't like this, I didn't like the other. But that's what we want. We want feedback so that we can improve and compete with that information. So let's have a look at some of the thoughts. Right here, someone has come and said, smell was really bad. We just make a product that smells nice, okay? We get some samples, we smell them ourselves, we let our family and friends smell them, and then in our images here, we talk about how nice it smells. I actually quite like these images. We talk about that it smells, just lovely, using images and powerful scents, and however we're going to best describe those smells, we would do that because it's a strength. And okay, this one's leaked. So again, and you're going to have to go through all of this because we want trending pain points from customers. We don't just want to base our product decision on one review that says the smell was bad. But if it's a bit of a theme, we can look at that. So if it leaks, well, again, we can talk about how our bottle is completely leak proof. And if you have any leaks, contact us and we'll put it right. Disappointing, small, oily bottle for large price. Maybe we could consider increasing the quantity. So a bigger bottle, a massager thing, and some toning cream. What a product offering. And what else we got? Leaks and smells bad. Looks like maybe it does smell bad, guys. I was right. Well, I wasn't right, I just read it. It works, but it has a weird fragrance. Smells awful. Smells rotten. We've got our pain point. This product is doing incredibly well, but it smells terrible. What are we going to do? We, like this person, are going to put together a product offering with a nice mitt, maybe some toner, and we're going to make it smell really nice. Guys, I hope you found that interesting, and I just wanted to show you because so many people out there say, look, you've got to use paid tools, and yes, they do really, really help. But there's also so much that you can read without the use of these tools. And there's so much, even if you're using these tools, which I actually advise you to do, there's so much more you need to know. So I'm pretty confident that this video will be useful to a lot of you. If it was, please leave a comment below and tell me what you liked about it. If you didn't like this video, please share that with me as well. Always open to critique, always wanting to get better. Okay, well done for making it through the video. And if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications bell, because that way you're never going to miss a useful video just like this. We'd love to have you in the Business Boss community. There'll be more useful videos coming from us very, very soon. Thanks for watching.